Hello friends, today we will be solving exercise 8.1 NCERT mathematics for class 8th. A very simple exercise. Let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, find the ratio of the following. A. Speed of cycle 15 km per hour. It has speed of cycle has been given as 15 kilometers per hour. I need to calculate a ratio with a speed of scooter 30 kilometers per hour. Speed of scooter is 30 kilometers per hour. Since both are given in the same units, both are given in kilometer per hour, you can simply find the ratio by dividing the two. 15 divided by 30. This is 1:2. So yeah, the answer is the ratio is 1:2. And mind it, ratio do not have any units. Right? B part. 5 meters to 10 kilometers. Now, whenever we want to find a ratio, we must ensure both the quantities are in the same units. So this is given in 5 meters, the other one is given in 10 kilometers. So let us first convert this 10 kilometers into meters. So this means this is 5 meters to 10 into 1 kilometer as 1000 meters. 1000 meters. Now you can divide 5 divided by 10 into 1000. So 5 into 2. So this becomes 1:2000 is the answer. Right? Let us see question number 1, part C. It says 50 paise to rupees 5. Again, we need to convert this rupees 5 into paise, which will be 5 into 1 rupee is 100 paise. 5 into 100 paise. So if you want to find out the ratio, it will be 50 divided by 5 into 100. This goes with this. So the answer will be 1:10. Right? Very simple questions. Let us do question number 2. Question number 2 says, convert the following ratios to percentages. This is opposite of what we were doing in question number 1. The first ratio given to us is 3:4. We need to find out the percentage. So simple method of finding out the percentage is divide the first number by the second number and multiply the whole term by 100. So this becomes 3 into 4 by 100. If you cut it, 4, 2, 8, 4, 5 are 20. So your answer is 75%. Right? Let's see question second, part B. 2:3. Again, the same method will apply. 2 divided by 3 into 100. Now we see 3 doesn't cut 100, so we will multiply this. 200 divided by 3. Whenever you get such a fraction, you can make it an improper fraction. So 3, 6 are 18, 2, 20, 3, 6 are 18. You are left with again 2 by 3%. That is the answer. Right? Let us go to question number 3. Question number 3 says 75% of 25 students are good in mathematics. It's saying 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? Please note here it is not asking you how many numbers. It's saying how many are not good in mathematics. So if 72% are good, that means 100 minus 72, that is 28% are not good in mathematics. Always total percentage is 100. If 72% are good, that means 28% are not good in mathematics. No need to calculate the numbers. Right? Let us see question number fourth. Question number fourth. Let me read it out. A football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. So they have won 10 matches. This is the information given to us. If their win percentage was 40, how many matches did they play in all? So 40% of matches they play, they win. Right? So we need to find how many matches they have played. So that means let's say they played in total X number of matches, right? And how many of them they win? 40% of X they have won, and this number is equal to 10 matches. So whenever this kind of question is there, you just 40% means 40 upon means it is getting multiplied of X is equal to 10. We need to find out how many matches they played. We need to find out X. So very simple. This is deducted 10 into 10 upon 4. We have taken reciprocal of this term when it is going to right hand side. 100 divided by 4. They have played 25 matches. Out of that, they have won 10 matches, which is 40%. Right? If out of 25 they win all 25 matches, that will be 100%. Let's see question number 5th. Of same exercise. If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, after spending 75% of her money, 75% of money is spent. So she is left with how much? 100 minus 75. She is left with 25% of money. Right? Let the money initially she was having is X. Right? So it is given she is left with 25% of X, which is equal to rupees 600. We need to find how much money she had in the beginning. Means we need to find this X. Right? Again, very simple question. You divide this, and when it goes to other side, it will go on the in the numerator. So X will be 600 into 4 is 2400. So initially she had 2400 rupees, out of which 7500 is spent. That means 1800 is gone, and she is left with 600 rupees. Right? Let us go to question number 6th. That is the last question in this exercise. Question number 6th. It says, if 60% of people in city like cricket, which is 60% like cricket, we must always find out what information is given. 30% like football, and the remaining like other games. Okay, then what percent of the people like other games? So overall, always we'll say overall is 100%. These two add up to what? 90%. So 100 minus 90 10% people like other games. Correct? That is one part of the question. If the total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. Again, very simple. The total number of people given is total number is 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs is this much. Right? Now, how many of them like cricket? 60% of them like cricket. So we will say in cricket, 60%. So what will be the exact number? 60% of 50 lakhs. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these two zeros go with this. What we are left with is 5 into 6 is 30, right? And balance number of zeros. So out of 50 lakh, 60% like, so 30 lakh like cricket. Football is 30% of 50 lakhs. Again, these two zero got cancelled with this. So another 3 into 5 is 15, right? So 15 lakh like football, and balance to like other games will be 10% of 50 lakh. That will be, otherwise also you can say 30 plus 15 is 45. Out of 45, if you out of 50 if you subtract 45, there are only 5 lakh people who like other games, right? So your three answers are 30 lakh, 15 lakh, and 5 lakh for other games, right? So very simple beginners exercise in comparing quantities. We will very soon come with the second exercise, that will be 8.2. Till then, thank you, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for getting more similar videos. Thank you.